Supreme Court just hits its full strength of 34 justices with the arrival of N.V. Anjaria, Vijay Bishnoi and A.S. Chandrukar. Handpicked by the Collegium under Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai and appointed by President Draupadi Murmu, these legal titans bring diverse expertise and regional flair. First, meet Justice N.V. Anjaria. A legal eagle from Gujarat, born in 1965, he graduated from Gujarat University and hit the ground running as an advocate in 1989. From constitutional law to service disputes, Anjaria's razor-sharp arguments made him a courtroom star. Elevated to the Gujarat High Court in 2011, he became Chief Justice of Karnataka in 2024. Known for his cool-headed judicial restraint, he is set to tackle big-ticket cases on governance and policy. Next up is Justice Vijay Bishnoi, Rajasthan's pride. Born in 1967, Bishnoi earned his LLB from Jodhpur University and started practicing in 1992, mastering civil, criminal and tax laws. Appointed to the Rajasthan High Court in 2013, he took charge as Chief Justice of Guwahati in 2024, slashing case backlogs in the Northeast. His no-nonsense style and focus on federalism make him a game-changer for regional disputes. Then there is Justice A.S. Chandrukar, the youngest of the trio at 55. Born in 1970, this Nagpur University slum became an advocate in 1993, earning senior advocate status by 2017. A Bombay High Court judge since 2019, he is a wizard in commercial law and arbitration. With the term until 2035, Chandrukar is poised to shape India's economic and public interest litigation. The Collegium's recommendations made on May 20 this year prioritize merit, seniority and regional representation. The swift approval by the government and President Murmu reflects a commitment to maintain the court's full strength. The trio's diverse background, ranging from Gujarat, Rajasthan to Maharashtra, enhance the court's regional balance. Their expertise spans constitutional law, criminal justice, arbitration, and administrative matters, positioning them to address India's complex legal challenges.